Whenever you're ready, take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. All the way in. And all the way out. All the way in. All the way out. All the way in. All the way out. Stay relaxed in the body. Relax the shoulders all the way in. All the way out. All the way in. All the way out. All the way in. All the way out. You got this. Stay totally relaxed in the body. Relax everything. All the way in. All the way out. All the way in. All the way out. If you feel lightheaded or tingling in the body, that's okay. Lay down flat on the ground. All the way in. All the way out. Keep on breathing. All the way in. All the way out. Come on, keep going. You got this. All the way in. All the way out. Whatever you feel, intensify it. All the way in. All the way out. All the way in. All the way out. Come on, I'm right there with you. Let's do this together. All the way in. All the way out. You've got this. This is your lifelong meditation. All the way in. All the way out. We're turning off the amygdala. All the way in. All the way out. That's the stress response in the brain. Just relax. All the way in. All the way out. All the way in. All the way out. Keep on going. Last 10, we're going to go fast. Here we go. Let's do this together. Stay loose in the body. All the way in, last one. All the way out. Hold your breath, no breathing. Hold as long as you can. Hold as long as you can, but when you can no longer breathe, go ahead and take a deep breath in. For me, I can no longer breathe, so I'm going to go ahead and take a deep breath in. If you can still hold your breath, keep on going. Deep breath in. And we're going to hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then breathe out and go back to regular breathing. And just imagine yourself in a place of total peace. Let's go there together. Just imagine that, just breathing deeply and putting yourself in a place of total peace. And as you're in that place of total peace, we're just going to become very present with your breathing, my voice, and completely relaxing. And we're going to imagine whatever's been bothering you, the stress, the discomfort, the tension in the body, the trauma, the drama. We're going to imagine giving that a color. Just the first color that pops into your mind. It could be red or blue, pink, anything. There's no right or wrong answer. Just go with the first color that pops into your mind. And what we're going to do is imagine this color just getting pulled outside of your body. We're releasing all the negativity. We're just visualizing pulling this energy outside of your body. And you could even chop it up if you'd like. Chop it up into little bitty pieces. Anything that's bothering you, health, relationships, financially, spirituality, with your career, co-workers, family members, anything at all. Just chop it up to the point where it's totally gone. Let's do this together. And once you chop it up all the way, just chop it up, turn it to dust, and blow it away. And if it's trauma you've gone through, I want you to imagine your timeline. You can think back in the past and give it a color. Just notice about what age that trauma and drama and the tension, the stress, the anxiety, notice about what age that started for you. We're going to give it a color. And we're going to give your color of empowerment, your color of self-love, your color of positivity. Give that a color as well, the color of healing. And imagine as if you had a hose and you're just going to spray off that timeline. All your past, just spray it off with your new color. And watch the old color dissolve. You're doing great. You got this. And I want you to look up to the top left corner of your eyes and imagine someone that loves you unconditionally. It could be a friend, it could be a family member, anybody at all that loves you unconditionally. It could be Jesus, Buddha, Gandhi. It could be anybody at all. If you can't think of anybody, it could be a cat or a dog. Often animals, people experience unconditional love through animals, and that's okay too. So looking up into the top left corner of your eyes, imagining that person or your pet that loves you unconditionally. And you're looking right into their eyes as you hold your eyes into the top left corner of your eyes with your eyes closed. Repeat after me. Today I choose to love myself. I love myself. Today I choose to totally love, accept, and forgive myself. I'm amazing. I got this. The best is yet to be. Look up to the top right corner of the eyes now, doing the same thing, looking at the person who loves you unconditionally in their eyes. Today I choose to totally love, accept, and forgive myself. I love myself. Now bring that person that loves you unconditionally or your pet even closer so you're looking right into their eyes, into their soul. Today I choose to love myself. I totally love, accept, and forgive myself. If you'd like to make this even stronger, you can tap on the palm of your hand while you do this. Tap, 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 just like that. Relax the eyes and go ahead and look left and right rapidly. Left, right, left, right, left, right. And repeat after me. Today I choose to love, accept, and forgive myself. I love myself. I totally love myself. Today I choose to love myself. Today I choose to love, accept, and forgive myself. I'm awesome. I got this. The best is yet to be. Go ahead and look down in the bottom left corner of the eyes. Again, we're imagining that person or the pet that loves you unconditionally. And this time what we're going to do is we're going to imagine floating outside of our body and into the other person or the pet. And now we're looking into your own eyes, imagining what it feels like to be them, loving you unconditionally. Tuning into the emotion now. Today I choose to love myself. Today I choose to love, accept, and forgive myself. I love myself. I accept myself. And I totally forgive myself. You're amazing. You got this. The breakthrough's already happening, my friends. Go ahead and look down at the bottom right corner of your eyes. And I'd like you to do the same thing. Imagine that you are that person that loves you unconditionally. So you're looking into your own eyes now. Look deeply into your eyes because the eyes are the windows of your soul. Today I choose to love myself. I love myself. I accept myself. And I totally and completely forgive myself. I love myself. I accept myself. And I totally forgive myself. I want you to imagine yourself emerging as a butterfly, allowing the old version of you to shed away, to just fade away, and the new version of you to come out. That new version of you, that bright, beautiful butterfly. It's almost as if you can barely recognize who you once were as you step into your divine self. We call this the 1.0 version of you and the 2.0 version of you. So now I want you to imagine as if there were no limits and you can tune in to this reality. Collapse time-space reality itself and tune in to the frequency of the timeline where you already have it all. Because after all, the only thing that is truly real is this present moment. And in this moment, you can choose to buy into a new frequency of self-love, a new frequency and identity of confidence. You don't need to fake it till you make it. You can turn into the frequency and feel it till you make it. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and it will be yours. It'll feel like magic, but I promise you this is founded in the quantum reality and entanglement that we participate in every single day. Maybe you've had the experience of thinking of a person's name and immediately that person calls you. Some say that this is the quantum entanglement that connects everything, time-space reality itself. Today, you're awakening to your power, to your greatness. I want you to think of a color. The first color that pops into your mind that reminds you of this 2.0 version of you, the butterfly version of you, your greatness. And I want you to imagine how you would dress if you showed up as this person. How would you walk? What kind of people would you hang around as this higher version of you? And imagine the joy you would feel if you no longer dipped your toes into the waters of joy, but you did a cannonball right into the waters and you began to swim in the waters of joy. Know that you've got this. I believe in you. I believe in you. You can even give yourself a new name. This is biblical. 6 times, God changed people's names. If you don't subscribe to that philosophy, it's okay. Look at it as universal energy. So often, people try to work on the broken version of themselves instead of realizing, like the butterfly, you have the ability to shed the old version of you, no longer needing to fix the problems from the perspective of the caterpillar. But you can create an entirely new reality, new perspective, and tune into a version of you where the addiction no longer exists. The broken relationship is not a problem anymore because the new version of you can easily set up borders and boundaries. The new version of you can easily love yourself. Give that a color and radiate that color throughout the whole body. For me, it's turquoise. And I chose to wear a turquoise ring to constantly remind me of my 2.0. And you can ask yourself a simple question throughout the day. Am I showing up as my 1.0 version of me or my 2.0 version of me? If this audio has made an impact in your life, as I know it has mine, will you do me a favor? Will you please invite 1 or 2 of your friends that need this today and encourage them to listen to the audio all the way through. This might just be their lifeline.